Hello students, today we will learn how to subtract fractions. First we will learn if the denominators are same. So if whenever we subtract or whenever we add fractions, first we see the denominator. So if denominator are same, then we keep as it is, but if they are not same, we have to make them same. So let's see the first example where the denominators are same. So 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4. So in this case, both denominators are 4. So we don't have to make the denominator same. So what we will do, we do write the denominator only once and then subtract the numerator. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 over 4. Another example, for example, 5 over 11 minus 3 over 11. So both denominators are same, they are 11. So write 11 once and then subtract the top numbers, subtract the numerator. So 5 minus 3 is 2, so 2 over 11. So to subtract fraction with same denominator is very easy. Let's see the another example if they are not same. So if the denominator are not same, so in this case, one denominator is 9, one is 27, they are not same. So what we have to do? Because when we add or when we subtract, in both cases, we make the denominator same. So if they are not same in this case, what we have to do? We will find the multiple of 9 and multiples of 27. So multiples of 9 are, multiples means it's a table, the multiplication table. So 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 18, so on. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 44, 5, 54, so on. They are the multiples of 9. Similarly, we find the multiple of 27. 27, 54, 81, so on. So if you see 27 and 27 here, they are common. So this is lowest common multiple of 9 and 27. So now our common denominator will be the lowest common multiple. So what we'll do, we we will make the denominator 27. So for here 2 over 9, so we have to make 9 27. So how we can make 9 27? So if you multiply with 3. So multiply this number and this number both by 3. So 3 times 9, 3 times 2. So what do we get now? 6 over 27. So we made this denominator as 27. So 6 over 27 minus 5 over 27. See, now the denominators are same. So we write denominator once only and subtract the top number. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 over 27 is the answer. And then we'll see if possible to reduce, to simplify. If not, then we'll keep the answer as it is. In this case, we cannot do any simplification. So that's the final answer. Let's do some practice question. For example, this case 2 over 5, 3 over 25. The denominators are not same. One is 5, one is 25. So what we will do, we find the lowest common multiple. So find the multiple of 5 first. Multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on. Write the multiples of 25. Multiples of 25 are 25, 50, 75, so on. See, 25 and 25 are common. So what is the lowest common multiple of 5 and 25? Is 25. Now 25 is our denominator. So what we will do here, 2 over 5 minus 3 over 25. This is already 25, right? So what we will do, we will make this as 25. So which number we will multiply to get 25? 5 times 5 is 25. Whatever we do at the bottom to the denominator, same thing we do the top number, the numerator. So times this also by 5. Now what we will get? 5 times 2 is 10 over 25 minus 3 over 25. Now the denominators are same, so just write the denominator only once and subtract the top number, the numerators. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 over 25. Now see if you can reduce. No, we cannot further reduce. This is our final answer. 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3. Now I'll try to do this question with a different method. For example, you don't know how to make the denominator same. You don't know how to find out lowest common multiple. There is another way to do this question. What we can do, 4 and 5 here. So what we'll do, both numerator and denominator multiply by this denominator. Means multiply this by 3, multiply this by 3. Similarly, 2 over 3, both number we multiply by this new denominator. So times this by 5, times this by 5. So 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, minus 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15. See, now the denominators are same. So what we'll do, we write the denominator only once and subtract the numerator. So 12 minus 10, which is 2 over 15. Now see, if you can further simplify, you cannot do further simplification. 2 over 15 is the answer. 10 over 11 minus 7 over 13. So what you can do, multiply this by 13, both top and bottom. Whatever we do at the bottom, same at the top. Same here, multiply with 11, multiply this by 11. So you get 130 at the top and 143 at the bottom, minus, right, minus sign, and then 7 times 11 is 77, 11 times 13 is 143. Simplify, write the denominator, both denominators are same, 143, 143, write only once and subtract the top number. So subtract 143, 130 minus 77. So 10 take away 7 is 3, and then 5, 53. So 53 over 143. We cannot further simplify this. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching my video.